Let me talk to you. Why are you crying?
Daddy, why shouldn't I? Why shouldn't I? Whilst you have made me feel like a prisoner, Daddy. Daddy, I've explained everything to you. But look at what Mom is doing. She keep on tormenting her. She keep on doing what she's doing, Daddy. Daddy, listen. I don't know what I've seen in this girl that I love her so much. I don't know. Anytime I get close to her, my heart just beats for her, Dad. You got to get my feelings, Dad. How I wish I'm not a royal. How I wish I'm not in this family, Dad. All because she's a blind girl, so you're just neglecting her. Dad, just put yourself in my shoes, Daddy. Put yourself in my shoes and feel my pains, Daddy. Look at, I've been to London, I've been to work, but hey, I couldn't find true love. I came, I saw her, and my heart was telling me she's the one. But Dad, why this? Why? I'm not a happy person, Dad. You got to see me, you got to feel my pain, Dad. I'm not a happy person.
I perfect.
What? I didn't see sweat. Ah. Let's get yes, can be a demi in a me.
Dear, he de Biano, you who sell quite a where you were at was 7 quarter more. Good afternoon. Oh,
Safa, me no casa. Missy Yana, first
I hope what banners woman
is about karate in way for it.
Sir,
and I try to cock me off your
Bemana.
Savoir.
Oh, Beyonce.
When you hope.
Bematsasi.
What my way?
Ah, Edu.
Safa, you're in Maninho.
Adiano.
I tell you, Monsieur, and I won't get
no.
I don't Madonna.
I mean, no to
Beyonce.
Type your body.
Then I'll go for Papa Biaba.
Safa, you're an enemy.
I feel like I'm a better person. You're also an enemy. Are oh, but on Aberwallen.
I am a banano. But you are going to see many in your home.
Dico, Miss Manager home.
I did some.
I'm not going to have sanity.
We are Busiati, I'm a Busia con. So calling you at any way.
Some way of call your PA.
Only Beyonce. What be okay?
Ah, Dan, I'm to me our crown. I'm over 18 years since I'm a boyfriend. I bet you on me.
And I Papa Aquayan and Nimiane.
So far, will be able to. Ah, now yes, I was Mansa and Mansa. And yet Beyonce Niana Mansa.
Beyonce Niana Mansa.
And I stand as soon a virus. Until how I say, and we have 4 million to Boma, or how I say.
Savoir,
yea,
and wiping her with him.
Media, my media, Hamilton.
You want to
Chimono and the PA for us. I
Totally understand you. And you know my stand when it comes to this issue. You have to be a man. And I always tell you, if you really want this, you got to fight for it. Locking yourself indoors and all this will not help you.
That will help me. That will help me because Mom is standing on my freedom, Dad. You got to understand me.
It doesn't make you a man. Listen to me. Listen to me. I will talk to your mom.
She will never hear you out.
Good. But now, I think the most important thing to do now is to take you with me to go and see Mansa.
Yes. Dad.
Now, I think the most important thing to do right now is to take you with me to go and see Mansa.
Oh, Dad, you don't get me. She doesn't want to see me due to what happened there, yeah? She doesn't want to see me.
Listen, I will go and see her. If she doesn't want to see you, she will see me. She will see me. I want to go and talk to her. Because the two of you must fight this together. You must fight this together.
Mom has been an obstacle between this. Yes?
What do you do to obstacles?
We overcome it. But Dad,
you have to face it and overcome it.
Dad, it's because I give maximum respect to you as my parents. That's why when you talk, I listen to you guys. Dad, you got to feel it.
So you relax. I said, I want to take you with me. Let's go and see Mansa. I want to talk to Mansa. If she doesn't want to see you, then it is going to be worse for you. So right now, let's solve the Mansa issue. And then I will personally see her dad. Then we'll come and see your mom.
Daddy, promise me you're gonna do this.
It shall be well.
What's the sound?
One baby. One way.
Da, into me piano, mammy.
Aha, tea. You know what's saying, Kayapa.
Hey.
To the better answer.
Why? As
Beyonce.
And how?
Why?
Virus. Virus.
Oh, this is come I know what you are beginning.
Ne kasa said some upon any so.
Some power in this one. I went on with some power being trying to compare Mikasa.
No, because we
I'm a minimum.
we. Safwa, baby, you
For the money power.
Mama say, I saw many, sir. Don't do that. Men did gentlemen in trouble. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm telling you. Hey, Bunami, bullshit, mammy. You know, I can do nonsense. You can't do anything. Why? See him. See him. If I trip person, I'm coming down. Wanakuno.
I feel when you buy money.
So you have my
I feel what them
Are you okay?
One no virus come.
Media metawachi.
One master, mammy Castle, which me pewasem, me boo. Some me one chimney, my warrior, and the swamp, Peniswa. Man, some worry fear.
Sound. I saw one for Bemena. Bemene. Mr. Woolray.
Virus
John Johnson, I don't know what is that.
set me name so worry me sit you.
I couldn't go my baby. I am asking why I can be machine as soon as
So you know about your mammy now.
no, why?
Well, I know one a veggie, you know.
Oh, what dear.
Papa dear. I'm so worried I was semi pemper will be cool. Thank you very much.
My crowd, no. When I had my crowd,
Sir.
my crowd.
Oh, madam for oh, madam for bar. A better step.
I don't know, car.
I better make a take it. Hey, are you being jealous here? Men film papa. Who did me papa extra?
I didn't want him to and you
Now, me what?
we did your mamma in Pengu. I just want to ask a brown young
one you mean to the end of your mamma. Boom. Food is nice.
Baby, I quite or a fine boy.
A chair.
Oh, Baby, no office in me. Why? Last time you joined Miami, a phone call. What about lesson the outer come Miami? The woman and Amasa. Many grillers crowds, so many that was said here. Grillers, many pizza bowl.
Hey.
Maybe I don't know about.
No, I'm okay. You can't make a chance to make coffee and I made that one. Made that one chain and wine and me, I meant to say. Mamma will cry me singing me.
Let me young one now. Oh, Papa Ferry. Yes, and it didn't that affair.
So what I say, so question for come on someone. Now acquire some way be. So what I say, Miss Row. Me money me this sick and hide be. I don't like it. So what I say. Me bahonum ya me bebombia obia nye the enfim. God been so good to me say. Me said this way and over fan. I'm say no when they my member were you one place be. Miss Row, I just want to see my girl. I just want to see my word, please. Tell please, Miss Row. Mr. Me wasem ba ku menu bia me pese me de me ne kana ase bibia nyere bibia mfro. I beg you, please.
Uncle Eni Jinkratoi tie na nko wasum me say ejedu waka kire me say mama mfa mansa emre wo biem na me ka wate ase na mansa na mu so on pese wo behu ne se me awodi se wo ha mi se me mai dey
me pacho eba me ne mansa ntema sema even ne father no kwan ontimi wo na wo timi wo na wo timu tintimben wo na wo gina mu tintimben. So what I say, minim say, Tima, please, Mr. What I say, me butcher kwan obey. Just look at me. I'm not Tima. I'm not being myself. Trust me. I just want to see her.
Inti de bi o ma me fa ni penny me form. Wa hwe na obey ye. Masumpa left and right.
Me pacho. See the way I'm supporting. If you look at the way I was talking to my mom, they all because of you. So what I say, Mr. What a mammy who na me cast. Na me cast and back up in the entry. Unquan obitin I wear, mammy. It's my Samuel. Me moy how. My hair bassow. Me damn intimido. My hair stressed though. Miss Tima and two whom so. Oh, yeah,
maybe me pass him. What I say, Madame for no some person.
It's not so big. And Casa Madame Casa Uni or the Unia. So I say, a Unia no. We are Bibia.
And forget about it. I'm a strong woman.
Forget it.
I'm a strong woman. When you're just mamma.
Mikaisen, I'm on some person. One I'll find a ways and means dear mammy and mammy the who knows what I say. So don't do this to me, please. Mr. Oh, say man. I don't understand. I shouldn't be here, man. I shouldn't be here. I'll dedicate all my time for her. I love her. Should have done that because this is not the real me, man. Thank you. Forget about the Jedu. Focus on her. Thank you.